Hello, everyone, and welcome to the second episode and the second semi-final of Couch Pandit Cricket Quiz with Amit. And once again, we are joined by four very interesting guests. Anirban Dasgupta is here, Neville Shah is here, Bhaskar is here, and DJ is here. And that means that it is going to be quite a tough fight.
नहीं भाई एक्सपेक्टेशन लोअर कर
That's good for everyone. Everyone has that approach. Everyone has a similar approach. कि किसी का कुछ नहीं होगा. So that also ensures that there will be a tough fight. If everyone
Anirban
is
at no point has Anirban said मेरा कुछ नहीं होगा in this quiz by the way तू म्यूट पे अनिर्बान तू म्यूट पे
मैं बोला है बिना हुए बोले कोई भी क्विज चालू नहीं होता है.
So we have Neville Shah in his elements, and we will see whether he's in his quizzing elements or not. So without much ado, let's get to the first round, which is quick singles.
ऑफिस को
But
काम ही नहीं
before that, so the first round, जैसे हमने discuss किया है, first round is rapid fire, 5 questions in 60 seconds. I will reveal the answers which you all got correct at the end of the set. ठीक है, after asking all the questions, after getting all the answers from you. If you do not know the answer of a question and you say pass, I will come back to it at the end of the set when I have asked 5 questions. If you answer incorrectly, I will not return to that question. And if my question begins in the stipulated 60 seconds, your answer will be accepted even if it comes at the end of 60 seconds. Very simple rules. So, okay, so Neville, it will be first. ठीक है? Starting with your set of questions. You can see the timer on your screen.
that doesn't add any pressure but sure
I will start your questions. Okay, starting. Which left-handed opener was called the Mitara Marauder? Left-handed
what?
opener was called the Mitara Marauder on the 90s and 2000s.
Gary Costa
In which city was the first ever triple century by an Indian scored in a test match?
it was Pakistan. I know it was Sehwag and it was that अरे यार I know the fucking city. Arey, come on.
Time is running out.
Is it
Can we steal?
is it Rawalpindi or no? It's not. I know it's not. Chal Rawalpindi. Chod.
Who was the first ever captain of Mumbai Indians? Time.
Fuck, you should know this. Okay, pass.
Which team did the Rennie, Whittle, and Strang brothers play for?
New Zealand. Chod.
Who was the captain of the 2014 World T20 winning Sri Lankan side?
Kumara Sangakkara.
Okay.
0.
So, yeah. Which left-handed opener was called the Mitara Marauder? It's Sanat Jayasuriya. In which city was the first ever triple century by an Indian scored? It is, of course, Multan.
Multan.
Yeah.
ये 40 साल होने का प्रॉब्लम है ये 40 साल ये मुल्तान इज आई न्यू द सिटी 40 साल होने का प्रॉब्लम है बस वही है so
You took a lot of time on that, yeah. We could have moved on.
because I knew the city that's the fuck up so I knew it but I was just like अरे यार इंजी उधर से है क्या मतलब क्या कर रहे हो मुल्तानी मिट्टी everything I knew but fucking मुल्तान
First ever captain of Mumbai Indians. Such a big supporter of Mumbai Indians. This was
I hate the fucking IPL but okay
Okay, this is Sean Pollock. And which team did the Rennie, Whittle, and Strang brothers play for? That's Zimbabwe. And who was the captain of the 2014 World T20 winning Sri Lankan team? That's Lasith Malinga. So that's a duck for you to begin with, but even Sachin
sure
Tendulkar is a duck.
sure है
Which brings us to our next contestant, which is Bhaskar, right? Bhaskar and
हाँ उसने ये बोला.
cool.
5 on 5
No dude zero.
Your
मेरे को कुछ
time. Your time
And you like
starts
won
now.
in the first.
Okay, Bhaskar, we are beginning your set of questions.
show.
David Johnson played 2 tests in the 90s for which country?
Zimbabwe. नहीं oh sorry.
Who has led India to the only 50-over World Cup final that it lost?
Saurav Ganguly.
Bob Woolmer was coaching which team in the 2007 World Cup?
Pakistan.
MS Dhoni's highest score came against which opposition?
Which score? Test or ODI?
One day.
One day would be Sri Lanka.
Apart from Australia, which other team did India play twice in the 2003 World Cup?
Kenya.
Okay, that brings us to the end of your 5 questions.
ए मेरे को
हाँ।
इसका 7-10 सेकंड दे दे.
I wish we could do that, but
What a
you
round,
would
man.
take a lot of time for Multan. But yeah, you ended your 5 questions quite quickly. So we'll go to the answers of that. So first question was, David Johnson played 2 tests in the 90s for which country? This is you said Zimbabwe. This is actually India.
Yeah, Neil Johnson.
India
I
to
got
the
confused.
only 50 over World Cup final that it lost. That is Saurav Ganguly in 2003. Bob Woolmer was coaching which team?
पाकिस्तान. ये मेरे को मालूम था.
That's Pakistan. And MS Dhoni's highest ODI score came against which opposition? That is Sri Lanka.
ये नहीं
Apart
था.
from Australia, which other team did India play twice in the 2003 World Cup? That is Kenya. So 4 out of 5. That's quite an impressive start. And that takes us to DJ, right?
No pressure, man.
Cool.
अनिर्बान अब तक तेरा क्या 10 on 10 है कि 9 on 10 है?
नहीं मेरा दोनों में मतलब 2-3 टाइप है. नहीं इसमें मेरे को 4 आता था.
मेरे को एक ही आया था पाकिस्तान.
नहीं इसमें मेरे को 3 आता था एक्चुअली. तो अच्छा नहीं आया.
How did I know both the Pakistan answers? So weird.
That's so anti-national.
Yes.
Okay, DJ, we are beginning with your set of questions. Here starts the time. Who captained India in the first ever T20I it played against South Africa?
Virender Sehwag,
Which Indian cricketer's autobiography is called A Century Is Not Enough?
Saurav Ganguly,
In which IPL did Kings 11 Punjab make it to the finals for the only time?
2014.
On which ground did Australia manage its only win of the 2001 Border Gavaskar Trophy?
Test match, right? So, Wankhede, Mumbai.
In which multilateral tournament did Virat Kohli score his highest ODI score of 183?
Asia Cup.
That brings us to the end of 5 questions. And
यार ये तो चांस ही नहीं है मैजिक
One
का
up.
ब्रो. It's not figure outable only. ये तो सब ऐसा वो वाला क्विजिंग है. अनिर्बान छोड़, हम लोग जाते हैं उधर इनसाइडर पे. ब्रो ये तो चांस ही नहीं.
let's
ना कौन याद रखता है? गूगल है, क्यों जानने का ये सब? मतलब फिगर आउट करो.
है अभी बहुत फिगर आउट करने का बहुत कुछ है in the next 20 questions that we
क्या
have.
5 on 5 on 5 4 on 5 6 on 5
5 on 5.
He got 5 on 5.
Lucky, boss. Lucky.
6 on 5 I thought.
Yeah, so we go to Anirban now. Your time starts. Your time starts now. Dwayne Leverock is remembered for his catch in the 2007 World Cup. Which team did he represent?
Bermuda.
With which team did Darren Lehman win the IPL as a coach?
Pass.
Which cricketer likes to call himself the universe boss?
Chris Gayle.
Which Netflix documentary revolved around the Mumbai Indians?
Pass.
Australian women's team wicketkeeper Elisa Healy is married to which cricketer?
Pass.
The Netflix the
Good
Netflix documentary.
Darren
Sorry?
Lehman. Darren Lehman.
Yeah, Darren Lehman won the IPL as a coach for which team?
Mumbai.
Nope. What's the documentary called
idea.
that revolves around Mumbai Indians?
Mitchell Stark is the last one.
Okay, fine. I'll accept that. So you got 3 correct. I would Dwayne Leverock, you said Bermuda. You got it correct. With which team did Darren Lehman win the IPL as a coach? That is Deccan Chargers.
Oh.
Australian women's team wicketkeeper Elisa Healy is married to which cricketer? You said Mitchell Stark. That gets you points. Which cricketer likes to call himself the universe boss? That's Chris Gayle. The Netflix documentary around Mumbai Indians, what was it called? It was called Cricket Fever. So you got 3 out of 5. So that means that we have 5, 4, and 3. And
Just to put it into perspective, guys, from all of y'all, I still have the lowest score. Even if I got all your questions, I would have had 3.
Okay. Moving on to the next round, which is the grid, the main round. Of course, you've got off to some start of 3 of you at least, and now is the major round. So, yep, here it is. 8 questions for 2 marks, 4 questions of 4 marks, 4 runs, and 8 questions for 6. And if a question is about women's cricket, it will be explicitly mentioned. You've been told about the power-ups, which is one is a doubler and the other is a steal. Just to explain it again, the way steal works is at the beginning of every 4 questions, 5 phases that we have, because we have 20 questions, I'll ask if anyone wants to activate their steal. If you say you want to activate your steal, in the next 4 questions, in the next 3 questions of your opponents, you can answer that question before your opponent's answer. Okay, and those points will be yours. Steal cannot be applied to a doubler. If someone else has taken a doubler, then steal doesn't apply to that question. And a doubler, of course, is you, before the question is shown to you, you say that you want to go for a doubler, and if you get it right, you get double the points. If you do not get it right, you get a minus of
And the doubler is also only once in each round, or once entirely?
The entire, for every, both the power ups, you can
Only
use
once.
once. Yeah. Okay. So we will move to the grid. Yeah, this is our grid. Paddle sweep, reverse sweep, log sweep, dill scoop, all of that means nothing. All of that is just to ensure ease of communication. So yeah, the first is Neville. What would you take? And like before we begin, does anyone want to activate the steal at this point?
I'll activate the steal for Neville's round.
DJ is activating the steal right at the beginning. So the next 3 questions.
That I don't forget.
I'll go for slog sweep, the second 2 runs.
This bank was established in 1968 when 2 banks merged, and it's been a part of the Royal Bank of Scotland since
Steal,
2000.
NatWest.
That is it. That DJ
अरे
has
question तो
activated.
पढ़ने दे रहे हैं यार.
मेरा client है यार.
2 minutes ago, DJ didn't even know how the rule
Hey,
works.
ये तो
and now
गलत
he
है ना.
he
अब
has-
now
बोल रहा है
I don't have
client
pressure of stealing because I'm done. No. I'm finished.
Double
No more
करने का
steal,
तेरे
no
को.
more nonsense. But that's in my own question. Chalo, done. I'm over.
Yeah, 2 points to DJ. Abhineet, add 2 points to DJ's tally, because the answer to this, of course, I'll read it once for the
क्या फायदा अभी?
viewers. There are viewers, Neville, so probably they would like to know the question.
पढ़ लिया आज तक तो.
Speed read,
मतलब,
yeah.
DJ, you had to steal question, and that too of Neville's. Like he's already. in this
But
mood.
he went for a 2 runs, yeah. It's okay. I mean, this is going to be like it's fine.
अरे because I wanted 2 runs. What a
Oh,
guy,
okay.
dude.
Sorry.
Okay.
मैं जीतने वाला नहीं है, फिर भी 2 रन तो चाहिए ना. 0 पे नहीं जा सकता है. उतना तो लाज रख ले यार.
So DJ, can you tell us the full name of this bank, since it's your client?
National Westminster Bank PLC.
That gets you. We've anyway got points.
Extra
but
points bonus.
No bonus for that.
Well.
But yeah, that is National Westminster Bank, NatWest, which has been this sponsor for a long time. So we go back to the grid. The second question is for Bhaskar. Bhaskar, what would you go for?
Paddle sweep, 4 runs.
So at the age of 39, this cricketer made a surprise comeback in 2021 after having last played for West Indies in 2012. His wicket-taking celebration, as well as his half-brother Pedro Collins and friend Corey Collimores, was inspired by another sportsman's celebration. So you have to tell me 2 things. First, who is this bowler who made a comeback recently? And second, in Sabka celebration is inspired by which sportsman?
So this looks like Fidel Edwards to me.
Okay.
And ये किसका था? John Cena.
That gets you point. 4 marks for 4 runs for the exact correct answer. Fiddle Edwards, Corey Collimore, and Pedro Collins, all of them
ये
celebrated
कौन है
their
आदमी यार? ये कौन है
cricketers.
आदमी? Fidel
And,
Edwards कौन है?
As stated, he recently made his comeback to the West Indian team at the age of 39. He plans to play the World T20 in the upcoming months. So we go back to the grid. Question now for DJ. Already some runs in the bag. What do you want to go for?
Dill scoop 4 runs.
Nice. I like the approach that people are taking today. Okay, this is a banner from the 2009 test at Cape Town between South Africa and another team. So you have to, from the banner, what has been blanked out is just the name of the team. So you have to tell me which team is being mocked, which is touring. Read the
This is
banner
gonna be
carefully.
the English team, right? Because there are a lot of South Africans in it.
Is that your answer?
Yeah.
That is the correct answer. This is the English team of 2009 that had players of South African origin: Jonathan Trott, Kevin Peterson, Andrew Strauss, Matt Pryor. A lot of these players, of course, are born and brought up in South Africa and played their cricket for England. And that's why this banner came up. So DJ gets his 4 points. Now over to Anirban. Anirban, what would you pick? Everyone has got some runs in the bag.
No.
Sorry, Neville. Sorry for hurting your feelings.
What's the negative marking in this?
There is no negative marking unless you take a doubler.
Okay, I'll go for 4. Slog sweep 4.
Slog sweep 4. I think slog sweep 4 is what DJ went for, right?
Okay, then give me another 4.
It's your choice, Bill scoop or reverse sweep.
Reverse sweep.
Okay. Simple
man.
for you. Just identify the cricketer and the shot that's being played. Very famous 2017 World Cup and all-rounder for England. So you have
Short
to
to
tell
मालूम है.
me the cricketer and the shot, both actually. It's a 4-run question.
Can I tell you about the logos in the background?
Yeah. Like till Anirban arrives at the
Points नहीं
answer.
देगा ना तू.
No, I have no idea.
You pass.
I'm just trying to think of a English cricketer's name, but I have no one in mind.
Okay.
Yeah,
Passes. It passes to Neville actually.
It's the helicopter shot.
Okay.
I don't know why I
There
think
is.
that. Is it the helicopter shot? It looks like the helicopter.
No. I will move to Bhaskar now.
Okay, so wait, no, wait.
Achha, you want to take a stab at the player's name? Yeah, you can go for it.
छोड़ यार. 2007 World Cup, तो I was
2017.
2017, I was 37. There's no way I'll forget. There's no way.
Bhaskar, what's this?
Is she trying to play the paddle reverse shot, like reverse paddle kind of shot? And Natalie Syver.
Okay. We will go to DJ.
It's Nat Scaver, but she hit it through her legs down
Yeah, but
to
what is it
like
called?
square leg. The Scaver.
Okay. So I'll give points to Bhaskar for the name of the cricketer, but we still have to get the shot, for which I'll give a hint. Okay. So what you are seeing here, the name.
Is it the nutmeg?
No, you've already given an answer. But okay, fine. We'll take this one because I hadn't given any hint. So it is the nutmeg. Bhaskar gets 2 points for Natalie Silver, and you get 2 points for the nutmeg. Of course, it's a
That's it. Because
word
it's
play
nut
on
it's nutmeg. Yeah.
nutmeg. So that was Anirban's question. We'll go back to the grid and we come back to Neville and anyone who wants to activate the steel at this point.
Steal.
Bhaskar wants to activate.
No, me. ये तो दे दे यार, बेंचो बोल तो रहा हूँ, फिर भी मेरे को भास्कर को दे रहा पॉइंट.
Bhaskar, would you like to be generous and give it to Neville?
अरे no, I said.
नहीं, उसने ही बोला था, so I did not say that.
Oh, you didn't say it. Oh.
हाँ,
No.
यही मैं बोल रहा हूँ. अमित, ये साला स्टीव बकनर. हाथ इधर लेके जाके फिर खुजा रहा है.
Okay, fine. This is the steal that has been activated in this round is by Neville, and we go back to the grid.
अच्छा, रिवर्स स्वीप 6 runs पहला वाला.
Reverse sweep 6
Whoa.
runs. Pehla wala. This is slightly longish question. So it says that about one of his celebration that we saw quite a lot in the World Cup, he wrote in his biography. Funnily, one of my celebration has drawn a lot of comments and has come to be known as the chainsaw because it apparently resembles me pulling a cord as though trying to start a machine. The only thing was, though, I was not starting a machine. In fact, that celebration does have a definite meaning to it. I am giving a knockout punch as though hitting someone to the ground. I haven't bothered correcting anyone who calls it a chainsaw. It actually makes me laugh. So, who is this bowler who is talking about a celebration? As I said, we saw it in one World Cup a lot. If just imagine how the celebration is happening, and it's quite possible that the first image that will pop out in your head will be of this bowler.
तो Neville steel activate कर ले पहले, so that
मैं अपने इसमें steal कर लूँ activate. So it'll obviously be like that, right? But
जनरेटर जैसे पुल करते हैं.
हाँ वही मैं
पत्ती
यही होगा
जाती
ना.
Yeah.
ये होगा ना.
हाँ.
अब कौन से लड़ने गया है ये? ये कौन याद रखता है ये सब? तुम लोग स्कोर नहीं देखते हैं क्या? बेंचो सेलिब्रेशन नहीं देखते हैं क्या? क्या मतलब?
नेविल तुम T20 नहीं देखते हो, इसलिए
100%,
यही तो है बात.
100%. Because that's not fucking cricket, dude. Wait, no. Acha, okay, so I don't know, dude. Fuck it. Pass. I don't know.
Okay. Passes to
Hun-
Bhaskar.
Bretley.
This is indeed Brett Lee. Of course, his
कभी किया
celebration
इसने
that
ये?
we saw in the 2003 World Cup.
अरे इंडिया को
ये-
इतना पेला था उसने.
हाँ लेकिन वो
Actually, like every time.
जनरेटर
झुक गए.
चला के.
लेकिन इतना कौन झुकता है? अभी तो बॉल डाला था, शर्म नहीं आता उसको.
Moving on to Bhaskar. Bhaskar, you've already got a lot of points. Abhi,
Yeah,
do you want to go for the jugular?
Let me go for reverse sweep 4 runs. Multimedia ही देखते हैं.
I think that's done. Which is then not a
There's
very.
one that's left, no?
एक ही है ना तो.
Slog
Just
sweep.
Slog sweep.
click it.
You have to identify this cricketer, look at him very closely, and look at what is there in front of him. So he's posing here, and looking at the picture, tell us what moniker was given to him by Mike Gatting.
Mike Gatting.
Yeah, this is. Look at what he's doing. Look at his action. Mike Gatting should tell you something about the timeline.
Okay. Mike Gatting दे रहा है.
As in, don't go for Mike Gatting. The answer is right in front of you. At least the moniker.
Look, someone with big lips. Mike Gatting किस पे आउट हुआ था यार?
Shane Warne. He got out to Shane Warne. Ball of the century, but
That's not the answer. तूने hint दे दिया.
मत दे यार, मत तू बोल मत अमित, क्या कर रहे हैं?
Okay.
Bhaskar, anything that you want to answer at this point?
ये आंसर थोड़ा रेसिस्ट है क्या? The moniker.
I think Anirban knows this one, or even DJ knows this one.
Yeah.
So let's see.
No, I think
Yeah.
I know the person, but I don't know if.
Okay, Bhaskar, any answer?
Is this Ian Healy? Like just a random guess?
Okay, Ian Healy, and any moniker?
No idea, bro.
Okay, we go to DJ.
Paul Adams, Frog in a
Adams.
Blender.
It is Paul Adams and Frog in the Blender. Okay, we go back to the grid. DJ, your question.
So fours are all done.
Yeah, fours are all
Um,
done. No confusion anymore.
I'll go for a slog sweep 6. First one.
First one. Okay. Post India's 2007 World T20 win, two cricketers received cars. RP Singh got a Mercedes Benz, another cricket got a Porsche. While the bowler got his car from Newsport, the Porsche was the price of a bet that Lalit Modi, the then vice president, had announced in the dressing room for doing something particular in that tournament while it was going on. What was that bet that was won by a left-hander? Someone got a Porsche in after the World T20, 2007 World T20. What did he do to get that?
So killer in the tournament while he was on. So left-hander is going to be Yuvraj Singh,
Okay.
and he was it to hit 6 sixes in the. It was to hit 6 sixes in an over.
Was that a guess?
Yeah, it is because I actually don't know this, but I mean that's what he did, right? So
Yeah, that is a good guess because that is what the.
that's
bet was
incredible.
all
That's a
about.
great
Dude,
question, yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
What
so
a question.
Amit,
I had
if
no
you-
idea about this.
Like just if you give away left-hander, then the answer is very easy. It's not a 6-pointer. Is my feedback.
This is a good question, man. Like I had
let's
no
see the
idea
next
about this.
question.
Great fact.
Okay.
मैं
Moving.
तो clueless ही है bro.
2007 वर्ल्ड कप में अगर लेफ्ट-हैंडर बोल दिया तो और क्या कौन
Gambhir, na? Gambhir, man of the,
नहीं
man
यार,
of the
मतलब-
final.
Stick it down.
Anirban,
चल.
your question.
6.
अरे
Which
यार
one?
2 ले ले, कम से कम मैं स्टील तो कर लूं अरिंदर. मेरा डीएक्टिवेट हो जाएगा यार. अच्छा चल ले
मेरा तो
6.
पॉइंट्स ही नहीं है, अभी तो 6 ही लेना पड़ेगा.
Okay. Which 6?
Give me any.
Give you any.
I'm not picking again.
I have no idea what is behind what.
No, I also don't have any idea what is being. What is
The idea of Jeopardy is this only that you pick for yourself, yeah?
Okay, I'll go with paddle sweep 6.
Paddle sweep
first
1.
six.
Okay, fine. Okay. So New Zealand cricket's general shirt number policy is that players cannot wear a number previously worn by another player. As a result, the available numbers are very fast running out. Loki Ferguson, when he made his debut, not a couple of years ago, actually 3 years ago, this was not the problem due to which he was not allowed to wear the jersey number, which he used to wear when he played for Auckland Aces. That number is banned from wearing. New Zealand cricketers are banned from wearing that number. So you have to tell me what is that number that Lockie Ferguson generally wears for Auckland Aces and even for Kolkata Knight Riders. And we've seen that number on the shirts of players like Lance Closer and Angelo Matthews. So there's a particular number that is banned by New Zealand cricket. Just think about their good nature and all of that and what kind of number they would not be comfortable with.
Good nature.
As in good boys, nice people.
Okay, 69. I have a steal, so I'm just going to go for it.
You have actually stolen the answer from Anirban.
Legend! Shai the freely in the house, opening his account with a 6.
This is
Oh.
actually 69. A number that is
Thank you, Anirban. Thank you.
I
I-
didn't
Shai
know this.
bhai,
nothing that
kya
I did
shot
here.
tha? Wow.
I didn't know this. I probably would have said 16 after thinking, but I had no idea.
that
अरे
was-
उसने
that
गुड
was
बॉयज बोल दिया, खत्म ब्रो. उधर ही चेप दिया मैंने.
Dirty mind.
back to the grid and again
और मैं सोच रहा हूँ लांस क्लूसनर वो क्या पहना था, वो ऐसा बैटिंग करके लांस क्लूसनर क्या पहना, याद ही नहीं आ रहा है क्योंकि कैमरा तो मिड विकेट से आता था. हाँ, सॉरी.
so you get 6 and at the end of this round can we have the scores?
Yeah, now you can. Now it's
Yeah.
fine.
Now Neville has opened his account. Anirban is on 3, Neville is on 6, DJ is on
What?
23, Bhaskar is on 16. This is the start of the third or the fourth phase. Third phase, and anyone who wants to activate the steal, like anyone as in Bhaskar or Anirban. Anirban,
Yeah, no, I won't actually.
you won't?
No.
Okay. Bhaskar?
No.
Okay. So Neville, what question would you go for?
Let's do Dil Scoop, second wala 6.
Second wala 6. Okay. Okay. Read the question carefully. The 1974 organization of the Islamic Conference was held in the backdrop of growing bonhomie among the Islamic nations after the Islamic world had scored a victory by causing the oil crisis of 1973. Notable names of the Islamic world gathered in Pakistan to show solidarity. One of them, seen here with Mr. Bhutto, also spoke in support of the host nation's nuclear program, which is Pakistan's nuclear program. As a result, Bhutto paid him back in a certain way. What did he do that has a very strong cricketing connection? So if you can identify the person who is there with Bhutto in the picture, and that will give you the answer. So it's 1974. People have gathered in Pakistan. This leader particularly historically big, important. He speaks in support of the country's nuclear program, and as a result, gets paid back in kind. So you have to tell me how that paying back in kind result in a cricketing connection. Just think of very famous leaders of the Islamic world, and I think ऐसे profiling करोगे शक्लों की तो one might match the person who is sitting there. And then it's a straight away answer.
पाकिस्तान क्रिकेट नॉलेज भाई सही आदमी से पूछा है बाप रे some
The answer is something that you all have heard. It's nothing obscure. All that you have to do is figure out who that personality is. If you get to his name, you have the answer.
Just thinking one sec, 74 ना?
हाँ.
वो तो बहुत लेट है यार, वो तो 92 है फिर.
Okay, I'll make this question slightly easier. I'll just make it direct.
no after the passing is finished then do
अरे
it.
करने देना यार,
Everyone should have a
अगर
chance,
कर रहे
no?
हो-
Fine, fair enough. No. If people think that they have an answer, then
we can try, we can guess. guess करने में क्या जाता है, guessing तो free है.
No,
Fine,
I'm
I
just
thought
trying to think कि
everyone looked clueless, so fair enough. So Neville, what do you want to
मेरे को
answer?
2 मिनट दे दे यार.
ठीक है,
हाँ आराम से.
He is a leader in the Islamic world. Is it the Gaddafi Stadium in Pakistan? Is it Gaddafi?
Brilliant answer. Brilliant.
That's the answer. That is the answer. Well done.
You
It had to be.
and
Colonel
you
Gaddafi.
arrived at the answer. That is the answer.
Well
The
done.
Lahore Stadium was renamed Gaddafi Stadium. A very
Great shout, yeah.
a bit of an anomaly that a stadium is named after Gaddafi, who has got nothing to do with cricket, but that's how it is. Great answer, Neville.
Terrific.
Gets you 6 points and a well-deserved
Boss.
6.
In the house.
We go to Bhaskar now.
Reverse sweep, second 6.
Reverse sweep, second 6. Okay. In the Ranchi ODI against Australia in March 2019, Virat Kohli announced at the toss that the match fees of the game of every player would go to the families of the martyrs who lost their lives in the Pulwama attack. However, something else also was done in that match by the Indian team to pay a tribute to the martyrs that attracted a lot of attention and divided opinions. So tell me, what did the team do?
Ranchi ODI, na?
Ranchi ODI from 2019 against Australia.
धोनी के होम ग्राउंड में हुआ है.
It attracted attention and divided opinion.
Yeah,
It was
yeah,
not
yeah,
something that was accepted by everyone unanimously.
So, did all the Indian players wear the army caps while playing?
Perfect answer. That
Correct
is
answer.
what we were looking for. They wore camouflaged the army caps as a tribute to the martyrs of Pulwama attack, and Pakistan objected to it, but ICC said that BCCI had taken permission for this. So we go to DJ. The grid is yours.
I'll take the Dil Scoop first one.
Dil Scoop, first one, 2 runs.
6. I'm sorry. Dil
तो
Scoop,
कोई
6.
खेल ही नहीं रहा है.
सब स्लॉक कर रहे हैं अभी और
This
बाद
is
में सिंगल
so
डबल
different from how the first episode went, where everyone played conservatively at the beginning and then sub doubler ले रहे थे. Okay, Dil Scoop first 6. Okay, here is your question. Okay, you have to read it carefully. I'll just explain it. In the list of combined first class experience of each nation's inaugural Test 11, the first is England with 1,574 matches. The third is New Zealand with 516 matches. The team at number 2 spot is the only team that, apart from England, has the combined first class experience of more than 1,000 first class matches. You have to tell me which is that team. Do you get what I'm talking about? Combined
So
first class.
I'm going to have to read this very slowly. This
Yeah,
is
so I'll tell you. I'll just explain it to you. So say it is India's first match in 1932. Okay, and all the
Okay.
11 players play that first match on, like, they have played some first class matches, right?
okay.
Yeah. So the sum of all those first class matches is a certain number. So we are talking about that. With England it's 1574. So the English team that played the first test in 1877, उनके players का अगर सबका first class matches मिला दे तो इतना है. Second क्या है वो you have to figure out. And I would just say that think about this. So which is that team जिसके players ने बहुत सारे first class matches खेले before making their test debut?
Fuck. It's one of two countries now. I'm gonna have to pick one of the two. Okay. Each nation's inaugural test run. First is England with 1574. Third is New Zealand with 516. Number two is the only team other than England with combined first class experience of the inaugural test run. Is more than 1,000 first.
Everyone has got this question right. किसी को कोई doubt तो नहीं है?
नहीं हाँ समझ गए.
I'm going to say South Africa.
You're going to say South Africa.
Yeah.
Okay, moving on. Anirban.
Oh, that's not the right answer.
So I also thought South Africa.
What's your answer? I said just this is something that you can
Is it?
figure out by just putting some
Yeah.
I've probably put too much thought into it. That's the problem.
Yeah. I also think.
I
Is it
suspect.
Australia?
It is not
Yep.
Australia. Goes to Neville.
Me. Is it Pakistan?
Not Pakistan.
Oh
Bhaskar.
shit.
Bacha gone.
Fanchur. I thought 47 के पहले तो खेलता था ना वो लोग इंडिया के लिए फर्स्ट क्लास तो खेलेगा ना.
Oh. See, now there are two options. One is Afghanistan, one is Bangladesh. Bangladesh
This is a
got
fucking
their
hard question, man.
status in 98 and Afghanistan to abhi mila tha. I'll go with Afghanistan.
Okay, that means that we'll have to reduce the points for this, and then we go for another round. So one of the batsmen scored a century in the first match of this team. So that's your hint.
Batsman scored it. Is it back to me now?
Yeah, it's back to you, DJ.
Oh, bhai. One of the batsmen scored a century
Yeah,
in
On
the
the-
first match of this team. It's Ireland.
that is the right answer because all these
Whoa,
players
man.
in English county.
Question. Dimag
All these
kharab.
players.
Mind blown. Kevin O'Brien scored 100.
Seriously.
Best question of the quiz.
Dude, what a question. Solid. Shit. Yeah, thank you for the hint as well. There's no way I would have got this. Yeah.
But you've got half
Yeah.
points for this. So moving on to
Tense.
the grid and question for Anirban.
Paddle sweep 6 and double.
Paddle
Oh.
six and double. Okay. Writing for Scroll.in, former KKR team director Joy Bhattacharya rued the loss of an amazing Pakistani talent KKR had signed but could not play due to issues with Pakistan cricketers in the league. So he writes, Wasim told me on the phone he's a fast bowler, he's from Pakistan, and he's 7'1" tall. 7'1", it sounded way too much. I remember asking Wasim if he had seen him personally. He had not. And then thought to myself that it was probably a bit like X's dash, to be taken with a generous pinch of salt. Okay. So you have to tell me the reference. The reference was to another Pakistani cricketer who put to rest all speculation around his dash in his autobiography Game Changer, which came out recently. So something about some Pakistani cricketer जिसके बारे में हमेशा speculation रहता था. So you have to tell me just the name of that Pakistani cricketer. What are we talking about here? As in maybe someone's sexuality or something, but someone's something. You have to give me two parts of the answer.
Not much.
Read the question carefully. If you know that whose autobiography Game Changer is, which came out, I think, in 2019, that would, of course, be a direct hit for you. But if not, you can totally work this out. A Pakistani cricketer, one aspect of his career around which there have always been speculations.
So the answer is not the fast bowler.
And I'm not looking for the fast bowler. The fast bowler is Mohammad Irfan. I'm looking for what is the reference that Joy Bhattacharya has made. Like वो उसकी तरह ही है जिसका कुछ भरोसा नहीं है. मतलब and that the other cricketer that is being talked about is a Pakistani cricketer. Big Pakistani.
मैं बोलने वाला था बस फिर अनिर्बान वापस डांटेगा इसके लिए मैं कुछ नहीं बोला.
Game changer. Is it Afridi?
And what is the other part?
Is that whole thing of like he used to just keep on retiring and then coming back?
I will give you a chance to improve your answer. What is Afridi's dash, which can be taken with a pinch of salt? There have always been speculations about it.
Put to rest all. So all the speculations were put to rest in his autobiography.
Yeah.
Oh,
If you don't know about that part, don't go for that.
okay.
Just go for what you know. As in, if you have reached Shahid Afridi, then this is the most obvious bit about him. I think
His
Anirban.
batting.
Okay.
And I can see a smile on Neville's face.
Neville, what have you got?
Oh, age.
And
Yeah.
It is Shahid Afridi's age. So -6 for Anirban, but
plus 6 though.
+3 for actually no.
Well, it's double, no? It's plus 6.
-6 because
For
he
the
got
first one.
one part of it correct.
Yeah.
So he gets to keep his points. Neville gets +3 for this. Anyone who wants to activate the steal,
I want to activate.
Bhaskar wants to activate steal, and Neville, what do you want to go for?
I will do Dil scoop 2 runs double. So you can't use your steal.
Dil scoop 2 runs, dono hai. Which one? First or second?
First one.
First one. Okay. Okay. What that was introduced in Test cricket in 2019 Ashes particularly, amidst much debate, was introduced in international cricket in 1995-96 World Series Cup that involved Australia, West Indies and Sri Lanka. So think of something that was already there in ODIs, but was introduced in tests in 2019. In ODIs, it was introduced in 95-96 for the first time, but in tests, it was introduced in the 2019 Ashes. So what is it? And it did create some sort of debate whether it is a good decision or not.
So it was introduced in the 95-96 जो श्रीलंका जीता उसका वर्ल्ड कप में इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था वो.
नहीं वर्ल्ड कप नहीं, वर्ल्ड सीरीज कप इज द ट्राई नेशन
अच्छा, हाँ, okay.
जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में खेला जाता था,
हम्म.
उसमें एक फीचर इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ था. Feature as in we can call it anything, but something new, something that was not there before that. That thing has made its debut in 2019 in test cricket in 2019 Ashes. So what are we talking about?
But was it a part of ODIs from 96 through 2019 or
Yeah.
on and off raha?
हाँ, on and off रहा है. मतलब probably I would say that on and off रहा है. Think about what has changed in tests recently. Something that you can see.
दो चीज है, but so on and off रहा है that's where I'm slightly getting.
Don't think on and off
So
रहा है.
Bhaskar has sledged you and confused you.
Yeah, I
now.
think,
Brilliant. Yeah. Solid. Covert operation चल रहा है. Well played.
यार 2 पॉइंट चले जाएंगे यार, क्यों कर रहा है ऐसे यार?
Don't
मैं तो
get
स्टील भी
distracted.
नहीं कर सकता.
कर लिया ना स्टील ऐसे कंफ्यूज करके. I don't know, fucking that. Fuck, it's either. I don't know, like day and night test match with the ball being different.
Okay, not the right answer that we are looking for. We'll move to Bhaskar.
Is it the concussion substitute?
No, there was no concussion substitute in ODIs.
Saleh?
DJ.
Shirt numbers.
Sorry?
Shirt numbers.
It is shirt numbers. Numbered kits introduced in 95-96 in ODIs and then in tests in the 2019 Ashes.
And the brilliance is that he said on and off because we still had day ODIs back in the day.
Yeah,
You
very
played
Yeah,
white.
before white.
That is the
Yeah.
genius of this question. And the quizmaster. He's like on and off. I was like, off kab hua yaar? Shirt numbers.
No,
Because
there have been.
I remember India playing day games in whites.
Yeah. In
Right?
fact,
Yeah.
even in colored clothing,
Yeah,
there
yeah.
have been
98.
instances where one team has numbers, one team doesn't. If you remember
Budget
the
खत्म
first
हो गया ना.
2000,
I'm
नहीं,
sure Bermuda के पास नंबर नहीं होता था like 2006 तक.
नहीं 96 वर्ल्ड कप पूरा वैसे ही हुआ ना बिना
हाँ.
वर्ड बिना नंबर्स के
96, 99 World Cup was the first time they
फर्स्ट
introduced
टाइम या
numbers in a World Cup. Anyway, so DJ continues to make a splash. We go to the grid and yeah, Bhaskar, your question.
रिवर्स स्वीप फर्स्ट टू
Reverse sweep first two. यार अब तो डबलर ले ही सकते हो तुम लोग. You
एक्स
want
में
to?
लेता हूँ नो नो
Okay. From this tweet, identify this young talented cricketer who recently made a big score in ODIs. So he says, excited to join Islamabad United. Heard so many great things about the franchisee. I just found out that dash means this in Urdu. I wish to be dash to all Pakistanis with my performances in the PSL. So you have to tell me who is this cricketer. If it helps, his name might remind you of a popular song from छोटी सी बात और कहो ना प्यार है.
जानेमन मलान
Janiman Malan is the answer. Yes, Janim, he wants to be Janiman to the Pakistani people through his performances. South African opener recently scored 177 against Ireland. So that
Yeah.
gets 2 points for Bhaskar. We go to DJ. DJ, we will. Yeah,
I'll take Dil Scoop 2 runs.
Dil Scoop 2 runs. Okay. This is the one that's left, right? Yeah. Okay, the last three cricketers who were winners of the British Sports Personality of the Year award are all similar cricketers who won the award for an outstanding Ashes performance. If Ben Stokes won it in 2019, who won it in 2005 and 1981? Two names. I'm looking for.
1981 is Ian Botham, and 2005 is Andrew Flintoff.
Easy as anything for DJ right now. Yes, that is the correct answer. You get your 2 points. Anirban, there is still a 6-6 on the
Yeah.
board.
Give me 6.
Okay. During an ODI at Harare, Steve Waugh approached him and said, I think I have got the cover for your book. He then proceeded to do something which was possibly done only once before when the bowler's idol, as in the bowler in the picture, Dennis Lillee was bowling against New Zealand in 1977. You have to tell me, what did Steve Waugh do that is famously captured in an iconic photograph, cricket photograph? Also, who is the bowler? You can see the bowler did not go on to make it the cover of his book. So 2 parts here. One, you have to tell me Steve Waugh did something. It's a part of a famous photograph. It's a match against Zimbabwe in Harare. So what did Steve Waugh do, and who is the bowler?
I'll steal
Okay. It's your steal is activated, right? Yeah. So go
या
ahead.
अब मेरे को क्वेश्चन पढ़ने दे
Arey, no, you can't do that.
No, you can't. You have to do it before Anirban answers.
Yeah.
हाँ
that's
तो
it.
I've already stolen that right
No. If Anirban still answers it, it's his.
No, but if somebody is stealing, they gotta answer immediately. What is this steal
Exactly.
and then
Yeah.
thinking?
So you can't do that. Either you steal it or not. So Anirban, it's still open for you. It's a famous photograph, and even the thing that was done while Dennis Lillee was bowling against New Zealand, that's also a very famous photograph. So something that Steve Waugh, as a captain, would do against Zimbabwe while his bowler is bowling.
This is the autobiography cover of that bowler.
Yeah. This is the autobiography cover of that bowler.
Okay.
He did not go on to make that photograph the cover, but he went on to write about it in the book.
Underarm bowling.
No, not underarm bowling. Neville.
Yeah, my answer was going to be underarm only. Now hold on. Bold. I don't know. No, you can't have an answer.
Okay, thank you so much, Bhaskar. Up over to you. डीजे को कितना वेट करना पड़ रहा है पॉइंट्स के लिए?
I don't know whether it's. I'm going to try. So
No, yaar, pass. Matlab, I don't know.
So the
Okay,
bowler is Damien Fleming.
Okay.
And the photograph I think is the everyone behind the wicket. So he's got 9 slips, a keeper and a bowler. So that's
So that's what he
Hmm.
did. He went on to like place 9 slips or 6.
everyone behind the wicket.
Everyone.
Damien Fleming, I didn't say because you said that he didn't make
Ah,
it to
bowler. Didn't make it to the cover of the book.
Who?
Damien Fleming.
The photo didn't make.
Sorry, the photo.
This bowler didn't go on to make it to the cover.
Cover of
Make it
his
the
Cover of
cover
the
of
book.
his book. Make the photo the cover of his book. This bowler did not go on to make it the cover of his
Oh,
book.
okay.
We are talking about an iconic cricket photograph, right?
Man, Damien Fleming तो I saw, but I got confused.
हाँ
with
मतलब
that,
वही मेरे को भी सेम लगा कि फ्लेमिंग थोड़ी होगा कवर में
yeah,
था ही नहीं.
Okay.
yeah, didn't get it.
DJ gets more points, and which brings us to okay.
Is that the end of the round?
I think that was Anirban's question. So that is the end of the round. Final. I think everyone has used the steal, right? So nobody
Yeah.
is left with a steal. Final 4 questions remaining, all for 2. So go for it, guys. Whoever has any doubler left. Starting with Neville.
Slog sweep, and still I'll take 2 runs in a slog sweep.
Mistimed slog
third
sweep.
man.
That is okay. There are only 2 international cricket matches that have been held in this capital city. One against West Indies in 1983 and the other against Australia in 1986. On both the occasions, certain sections of the crowd got behind the opposition, as in they supported Australia and West Indies and not India. 83 of them were arrested or 18, I can't read that. But yes, a number of people were arrested in 1983. So you have to tell me which city we are talking about, which has just hosted, Indian capital city, which has just hosted 2 matches. And both of them saw the crowds getting behind the opposition team and not India. I think it's a bit of a, I would say, logical answer, probably. Which capital city would have such a hostile attitude towards Indian cricketers or Indians? So that's
अरे
what
2 ही है आंसर और मैं जा रहा हूँ श्रीनगर.
Srinagar. That is the right answer. Srinagar is
I was not
got
happy.
2 matches. Sorry?
Sunny Gavaskar was not happy after that.
Yeah.
It's in his book Runs and Ruins about how he went and played at this ground and got like pelted with stuff.
It's called Sher-e-Kashmir Maidan, and Srinagar is the correct answer. So Neville gets 2 points. Go back to the grid. Question for Bhaskar.
I'll use double and paddle sweep 2 runs. Second 2 run.
Second 2 for okay. From 1998, this cricketer started wearing a wristband with the letters WWJD. What would Jesus do? He was a Catholic and very staunch, devout man. Couple of years later, he publicly stated, in a moment of weakness and stupidity, I allowed Satan to dictate terms to me. The moment I took my eyes off Jesus, my whole world turned dark. Who was this cricketer? I'll just tell you to think about the timeline. Who would make this admission 2 years from 1998? Very popularly, very publicly. Very religious person and started wearing a wristband from 1998 with these letters. But 2 years later, this was what he was saying in front of in public, in a public appearance. As I said, focus on the timeline and you will have your answer.
1998. 1998 में who was the bad boy of cricket?
I have
Bhaskar,
given you all the hints.
I will give you Google also now. May not be bad boy of cricket.
Bad boy of cricket.
May not be bad boy of cricket.
Has Neville figured out the answer?
Neville is reverse sledging him for that on and off. Like mind games.
Very religious person. I'll just say Ricky Ponting, maybe.
Ricky Ponting. Okay, that gets you a -2. DJ.
Hansi Cronier.
Yes,
Right.
Hansi Gronier.
The couple of years later is 2000, and that's when he made that admission in front of King Commission.
Also, who was this cricketer? Na was.
Yeah. So DJ
Oh.
continues with his streak, and DJ, now you're direct.
A double. I'll take paddle sweep double.
Paddle sweep double. First question. Okay, let's see. Okay, this Indian cricketer famously played an entire World Cup with a bat without a sponsor sticker, while his teammates sported stickers of two rival tobacco companies. Recently, he revealed that the reason behind it was his promise to his father that he would not endorse tobacco products. Who?
So this must be Sachin Tendulkar.
Okay, Sachin Tendulkar and the World Cup.
1996.
That is the correct answer. 4 points to DJ. Killing it. Final question coming to Anirban for it. Okay, this is simpler. Since 1992, when colored kits were introduced in World Cup, only one edition of the World Cup saw team wearing kits which did not have the country's name in the front because they went for a design. So you have to just tell me which edition, the country and the edition, as the year.
2003. Is it 99?
Yes, it is the 99 World Cup. There were no team names on the jerseys. And with that, we come to the end of the quiz. Anirban finally gets points and moves to what? 11?
5.
11, I
Oh,
think.
acha.
Okay, so Anirban finishes with 11. Neville finishes with 17. Bhaskar on 22. And DJ 20 points ahead of the rest with 4.
Oh man.
So
Lucky
DJ
boss.
has
Very
completely killed it. Congratulations to DJ and Bhaskar who go ahead for the finals. Thank you so much for Anirban and Neville.